It's successfully drilled a hole. What's up everyone, Steve again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Awesome. New mill engine model steam engine, plus this little workshop that includes an actual working drill press, grinder and a lamp. So links down below if you want to go check this out. I've recently done this one as well, which was pretty amazing. Links up on the channel as well for that. But yeah, I really love old school steam engines. So let's have a quick look what you get in the box. And this brand, Retrol, are fantastic. Great quality, amazing price. Here is the model itself, vertical steam boiler there. Got your little parts list that you need. Instruction manual, up to 25 steps, so it's not too bad. Step 1. So it's not too hard. I'll build it all off camera. Anything exciting happens, I will show you up on the, I'll bring it back. But normally these go, well, like they go together like Lego really. Nice parts here, beautifully machined, nicely coloured as well. Scissors here to hold these bolts down. First layer, peel it away like an onion, and there we go. So it's mostly put together already. It's just, you know, you've got to put these main bits that are pre-assembled all together. But check out that. That's awesome. Real little latch there to hold down that door. That's amazing. Beautiful quality. There we go. That's awesome. Here's a little generator. So obviously a pulley attaches to that. Got these actual wires here as well. The cylinder and everything pre-assembled. That saves a lot of steps. I guess that's why there's only 25 steps. Various other parts. What's that? Like your connecting rod. 4 bearings in there as well. Oh, look at that. Is that like your governor? Now when that spins around, the weight of the balls fling out. There we go. It's actually doing it there. Pulleys or O-rings. And there's a, look at this. This is the lamp itself. There we go. LED in there as well. And various other components. And under here's your base. Tubes. Oh, look at this little valve. That's awesome. Just like on this other one I previously did. It's got a nice valve there as well. So actually all work. Tools, everything you need here. You know, your parts, bolts, screws, whatever you want to call them. That's handy. Haven't seen this one before, but that's a nice little Allen key. Everything's in there. Flute. Or your stack. Oh, that's your like the kill switch. It's called a knife switch, sorry. Alright, now we go over to this awesome little workshop, it's called. Drill press, grinder, knife switch is just there, and there is your lamp. Not too many steps here. Goes up to 6-step parts list there. Total of 48 parts for this one. Check out this. It's actually a mini working drill press. So there's the drill bit, and look at that. So put some balsa wood in here, we can cut some holes. How nice is this? Bevel gears there, turning this upper pulley to this pulley, and obviously spinning the head there. And look how, not much run out on that either. That's really nice, and fairly weighty too. Here's your grinder. It's got 2 different discs, like different courses here. That is awesome. And that's obviously the belt that you run on to the actual steam engine, or part of this actual mechanism. Another lamp. It's got 1 lamp for the workshop and 1 on the steam engine. Another knife switch. Another layer. Batteries, hardware, rod, your base as well. And that's it. See how this all runs. Hopefully we'll get up and running. Any issues I'll show you, but if not, next time you see this we'll put it together and see how it runs. Check out that beauty. Looks amazing. No issues at all putting it together. It didn't take long at all. This took about probably just under an hour. This took easy, probably the same, 45 minutes at a easy pace. No issues whatsoever, went together really well. At the end of it, I oiled everything. You got the little oil channels here for the cylinder or the piston, and up in here as well. You got to fill this up with oil, and that's it. Fill it up with the water, as you can see, up until around about there, near the top. And also, metho, light this up, and we'll see how long it takes. You can see here, there's a little pressure valve, and yeah, once like water starts coming out of the whistle on the side here, you're pretty much good to go. Once it opens, you can see water popping out. You can open the valve up. This is like a throttle, so to speak. The water will start to empty out of here. I think these are called the condenser valves. You kind of leave this open a little bit. Once you open the throttle, some water will start trickling out these valves. Then you close it up and you're good to go. But turn the camera off, we'll get to the point where the pressure's built up in the boiler enough to start it, and we'll get back to you. Alright, ready to go. As you can see, it's all the way up. Ready to rock the Casbah. Let's open this up. There we go. Look at that. Going awesome. And if you look here, you can see the light. So this might switch, turn it off and on. There you go. Go back up again. But if you come around here, look at this. You can see this little grinder and little drill press. I wonder if this actually works. We've successfully drilled a hole. What is this, the world's smallest drill press? Let's go again. There we go. There you go, little sanding. Obviously it's just for looks, but also this, you can see it has a light here. This has got its own battery source, so you know when you're working there, but yeah, it's obviously there's not going to be much tension on this. Oh yeah. You can hear it. Hey, it's done something. It cut away. Oh yeah. Cut another hole. It runs really nice. Smooth. What's the pressure like up there? Oh yeah. Pretty good. Getting there. My flame went out. Just went out. But there you go. So if we close this back down, runs really well. Like I said, that was only probably the third time I ran it. These weren't closed all the way. Oh, that would have helped. But yeah, it runs great. Let me put some more metho in and then we'll give it another go. Alrighty, one more go. There we go. I think this is awesome. Look at this. Pretty sweet. Don't run out of steam, I think it's run out a bit of water. But this is awesome. That works great. Not much run out on that drill. It's also got the light. You can see it's a bit struggling there. Let it back up. There we go. But yeah, the water level is running pretty low. It chugs along quite nicely. Open it all the way up. How cool is that? I guess it's got a lot of friction running all these as well. Awesome. Alright guys, what do you think? Links down below if you want to go check it out. Love my good old steam engine. How's the flame? It's just nearly steamed up. That's what the problem is again. It burns this metho very quickly, so that might be a problem. Maybe if I got to keep up the heat, maybe put some of those barbecue firelighters in there. That might be an option. But check out the link if you're interested in these guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.